yes, wow. Yes, well, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. And I'm by the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can do the cornrows, and I tried to do it and I mixed it with the passion twist. Yes, after I did it like this, and on my path I did the passion twist. So I think you'd want to watch this up to the end to see how I try to do my creativity. So don't forget to subscribe, and we do this together. Remember, we have an academy here at Hair Zipper, so you can always come and we learn together. And for those ones who are far, just click on the subscribe and we keep on watching this together, because remember, we do it every Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday, and Friday. Yeah. Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Yes, just like that. So she had a lot of growth, but yeah, I know for you, when you get someone without a lot of growth, you'll even do better than me. Yes, but I'm going to try to show you how I added the passion twist up the end. Yes, and remember, I told you this. Please, if you see someone with baby hair, don't hold it. Don't try to hold it. Just leave the baby hair alone. Yeah, because it's not good to play the baby hair. It's not good at all. So this is how I keep on doing my cornrows. Yeah, just like that. Shout out to my friend. Yes, my friend Esther in Abu Dhabi. I love you so much. Thank you for subscribing. And my friend in Uganda. Yes, in Uganda, Kampala. Hanrat, thank you for subscribing. And let's keep on doing this. And shout out to my sister Linda. Yeah, thank you for subscribing, and I know you're watching right now. So let's keep on doing this. I told you, you just have to keep on adding. And on this one, I just add the same volume up to the end. Yes, the same volume up to the end. That's how I keep on doing. So let's do this and you see how I'm going to end. Yeah. You see? Yes, you see, she had a lot of growth, but I had to pull it out. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. But I know if you get someone without, you get someone with just little growth, you will do it better than me. Yes, so just keep when you're adding, maintain that same volume. Don't add on it, like don't don't add, just maintain that volume. Yes, just like that. Yes, just like that. So let's keep on rocking. Let's keep on doing this together. And please, if you have any question, I'm there to answer you on any style, because me, trust me, I can do all styles. Yeah, I can do all styles. So just keep on asking me. We can share the ideas. Yes, just like that. And don't forget to subscribe. If you want to watch some good the pictures of more hairstyles, you can even go on my website. It's www.hairzippers.com. Yeah, on my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Yes, they're all there. So just keep on loving Hair Zipper and subscribing on Hair Zipper. I'm here for you. We got to learn all that we need to. Yes, just like that. You see how I left all the baby hair out? Yes. Yes, just like that. So here it is. It's like I told you, I'm going to mix it with a passion twist. So I'm just trying to add the passion twist, just like that. Yeah, and when I'm done, I'm going to make sure my baby hair, I use the most for my baby hair, and some little spray. You see I'm doing it? Just a simple touch. Yeah, just like that. Wow. Yeah, we're good to go. Yes, that's how I keep on doing. And please, let me just leave you here. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time on the next video. I love you so much. I'm by the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master. Don't forget to subscribe.